A very good evening to one and all. Today's evening we have a special guest. She is none other than Miss Leena Baid Furana. She is a social activist. She works for the field in the field of sustainable menstruation and is involved in a lot of other social work too. So I think she'll be telling us more about her social work. But the reason why I have invited her today is to talk on the topic of importance of play. I got to know that she is a certified play therapist from the UK and she is director of Real Learners. So let's invite her and let's know more about her and her work. She is a therapeutic play skills practitioner, and so she will be telling us about the importance of play. A lot of moms are worried about what kind of play should they engage their child in, and so it's very important to know about the play of the child and at what age the child should play what, and age appropriate play and what actually playing with the child actually does to their mental health. So welcome, Leena, and I'm so happy to see you with us.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dr. Pankhuri Multani, for inviting me. And I'm really glad to be here addressing moms. And thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Welcome. So, Leena, I have just given a small introduction about you, but I know you are into a lot of things. So, we would really like to know more about you.
Okay. Basically, right now, I'm running a school in Balaghat. And
okay.
Yeah. And also recently done a course in therapeutic play skills. So it's basically play therapy, where nowadays we have we as like, because I'm into teaching field and education field, so I have seen a lot of people come up with mental issues in children. But the problem is we don't recognize it, we don't give importance to it somewhere. We are too much into like we have to feed our child with right things, but sometimes we don't care about the mental fitness of the child or emotional fitness of the child. So that's why I opted for this course called play therapy, and it's quite different. It's very it was really a very different experience for me as a teacher when I did this course. And I really feel like कि जिनको भी इसके बारे में पता चलेगा, अगर वो घर पे ही, जितनी भी मॉम्स है, अगर वो घर पे ही अपने बच्चों के साथ या पेरेंट्स अपने घर पे बच्चों के साथ अच्छे से खेल ले, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी भी बच्चे को कोई मेंटल इश्यूज होंगे, राइट? तो आई थिंक we should, I think, understand what is play. We should understand child psychology a bit, and parenting is thing which is really sometimes it can be a tedious job. Sometimes we can feel frustrated. Sometimes we can be very stressful, and that time I think when we realize ki, are we doing right with our kids? Are we doing right to ourselves? So it's like good parenting skill doesn't mean that you don't respect your personal space. So it's like understanding child psychology and then working with children accordingly, so that you can get maximum out of them, or you can give, or you can take out the best out of them. So that's what. And I think we'll be discussing about different types of play and different type. What is the importance of play? That's what I think we'll discuss today. Yeah.
So, you know what, Leena, I come across a lot of parents who are now juggling because of the COVID period as well, because they are mostly at home with more screen time and less play time, especially outside play. Children are having a lot of issues. And the parents are sometimes able to recognize, but mostly they are not able to understand that, why the child is behaving like that, or what can we do to avoid those situations. So, Leena, as a play therapist, and you also work with so many parents, so what do you feel कि क्या हो रहा है because of all these lifestyle changes we are into now? So, what do you feel क्या हो रहा है बच्चों के साथ?
Actually, see, a school provides a structured environment to the child, right? And now, because schools are closed, definitely it is very hard for parents to maintain that energy level of the child in the home. And no, most of the people end up giving them gadgets. So they think that ठीक है यार अभी बच्चों को हैंडल करने में बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ऐसा नहीं है कि बच्चों के पास एनर्जी नहीं है, दे हैव लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी फ्लोइंग इनसाइड, है ना. और जब वो बाहर निकालते हैं उस एनर्जी को तो हमको एज अडल्ट उसे मैनेज करने में, फिर अपना वर्क भी है, घर के भी काम होते हैं, जो वर्किंग वुमेन है उनके लिए और हेक्टिक हो जाता है टू बैलेंस दोज एनर्जीज. तो हम थक जाते हैं एंड वी एंड अप सेइंग कि चलो बेटा टीवी देख लो या ये फोन ले लो, पढ़ लो, इसी में देख लो सब कुछ. और दैट्स व्हाट. सो समवेयर इवन वी हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट कि ठीक है यार बच्चा गैजेट पे है तो वो शांत तो बैठा है, नहीं तो बच्चे शांत ही नहीं बैठ रहे. एंड अगेन a problem, urbanization has created lot of problem. You cannot send children out, ट्रैफिक बहुत है, रोड पे कैसे खेलेंगे बच्चे. And yeah, we are becoming more conscious about hygiene and things, stuff like that. फिर socialization कहीं ना कहीं हमने कम कर दिया है. So when we compare our lives when we were young, when we were kids, तो हम कितने घंटों बाहर खेलते थे. We used to jump, we used to scream, we used to go around, सारी गली गली में घूम रहे हैं और इतने सारे स्टंट्स किया करते थे. काफी सारे गेम्स खेला करते थे जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा फिजिकल एक्टिविटी की जरूरत पड़ती थी, एनर्जी की जरूरत पड़ती थी. एंड देन वी यूज टू गेट टायर्ड और जब हम घर आके बैठ भी रहे तो हम शांत बैठ पाते थे क्योंकि हमको जो अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी खर्च करनी थी वो हम खर्च करके आ गए. Now what is happening, the main problem what is happening nowadays because of urbanization say, or because of people getting more conscious about not getting socialized and not sending children to the house to play with people, वजह से अभी और भी ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम अपने बच्चों को ज्यादा बाहर भेजे, घर के बाहर निकाले. तो अब वो एनर्जी बच्चे के अंदर फ्लो हो रही है, राइट. एंड चाइल्ड इज नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इस यूटिलाइज करूं, इस एनर्जी को मैं कैसे बाहर निकालूं. तो बच्चा सीधा नहीं बैठ रहा है या और कोई दूसरी हरकतें कर रहा है जिससे वो अपने आप को शांत कर सके.